In this video, we'll talk about how to fix Explorer.exe class not registered. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Scroll it down. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. This action refreshes the Windows interface and resolves minor glitches. Method 2. Reset Default Apps. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Scroll down. Click on Reset and click on OK. So that's how you can fix Explorer.exe class not registered. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods linked in the pinned comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.